Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Let's tap. Now let's tap on the fingerprint unlock. Here you will have to either enter your screen lock to confirm everything or set your screen lock if you do not have one. It is necessary, so just do it. And now we've got the instructions of what we have to do. And as you can see, we have to move slowly, move our fingers slowly, capturing angles of the fingerprint. The sensor is located on the power button of this device on the right side. So let's try to do it. Let me just move it, and as you can see, our device will record our fingerprint, which is quite nice. I mean, it looks nice and it's quite easy and fast to do it. It is done. So here we can rename our fingerprint or just tap on done. This is the section connect with our fingerprint. Again, we can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint recognition method, so either touch or press. I think I prefer this touch option. It is much easier and more comfortable to use. You can also decide for what you want to use the fingerprint for, so the lock screen, privacy, password, app lock and fingerprint payments, totally up to you. So now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. Let me put my finger on the sensor, just like that, and as you can see, the unblocking operation was immediate, so it means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.